dirt bike. You want kids to grow up with Harleys? Dirt bike. That was my first bike, was a dirt bike. It was a Honda. But if they had Harley Davidson dirt bikes, I mean, okay, I've had a Harley since I was 4.
Smaller bike.
Yeah. That's why I'm not in charge, though.
All over everywhere. That enduro bike might be popular.
That's nice looking. So we just stopped over at Loveless Cafe, got us a quick bite to eat. Some good fried non-healthy food and biscuits. And I felt like I gained 15 pounds. And now we're gonna run down the Trace, the Natchez Trace Parkway. Oh my God, I'm already burping. I'm gonna let y'all in on a little secret. Bridges make me nervous. I'm sweating right now. I don't even want to look to my left or my right. Whew! I hate it. Whew! That freaks me out. I don't think I'm afraid of heights or anything. For some reason, just I get up on especially that bridge. It just makes me nervous. It's like my body starts freaking out. The scaredy cat comes out in me. Single file, baby, single file. Yeah, good job, fellas. Here comes another cyclist. This trace is not an easy thing to do. I mean, look at that dude struggling going up the hill. I slowed down a little bit though. But for some reason, when I get on those real high ones, jeez Louise. I tightened up so much I couldn't even fart if I tried. Oh, I'm sorry, I should say what me and my boys say, Harley butt. I couldn't even Harley butt if I tried. Sometimes, this is one of the things I really like about riding motorcycles and being a part of the motorcycle community in general. I just rode down to Moonshine Harley Davidson. I'm not even real sure why I went down there. I just went down there. I happened to pull up about the time that some of the guys from the Hog chapter are doing a ride. Now I'm riding on the Natchez Trace. I'm pretty positive that this is the furthest I've ever been out on the trace. And I guess it's a good thing that I filled up when we stopped. Now that's pretty right there. So I know this. We've got 413 miles until we reach Mississippi. I'm not exactly sure where that puts me right now. Oh, Water Valley Overlook. Hopefully this is a one-lane road, one-way road. Every time I see a car in a national park area parked by themselves, I can only think of one thing. I appreciate you guys watching today's episode. Do me a favor, share this episode with a friend. Hit that like button. Do not forget to subscribe. And I will see you guys on the next episode. Thanks for watching, everyone.